Hello everyone, welcome to another video. This is probably the second on the channel. A brief explanation on a beautiful trade that I took today. I'm not trying to brag about it, but it is a beautiful trade, and I'm going to briefly, logically explain to you guys why I took this trade. There are multiple reasons why this trade was taken. I'm not going to go into all of them, but I'm going to briefly, quickly tell you guys what was the reason for, taking this trade, where it was taken. All right, quickly jumping right into it. So for the past 3 days, including today, there have been major pound news releases, right? Uh, Today is Thursday, so Tuesday at 12 p.m. my time, the news releases. Price goes all the way down to there. News positive for pound, pound strong. Uh, Wanted to get in on the sells in here somewhere, could not. Then the price aggressively came back up, shot down again. No lower low, no lower low, no lower low, no lower low, no lower low. And then yesterday, another pound news, very negative for pound, and the buy happened, right? Now, initially I wanted to get in on the buy in here, but I was afraid of this, the news event that took the price all the way lower. Uh, in hindsight, there is an entry in here, could not have traded because of the fear of the big sell on the left side. If you take a look on 60 also, right? Let me just get rid of all of these brushes. Uh, quickly. Okay, so let's talk about it from the 60 perspective. All right, on the 60 minutes chart, news released, price shot down all the way down to there, and then on the lower time frame we saw fail to make lower lows, and then yesterday news came out, price shot all the way higher. Hindsight, again, there's an entry in here, but was afraid of this when New York yesterday pulled through, right? Um, so the buy that started here went all the way up to there, has gone through this, was coming from a news that came after a news the previous day, and the move on that could not follow up, and then this news that went through yesterday, the move started by the news is here, then it went through, it pulled back, and it went through the news from the previous day. Now, as I came into, looking at my charts today, I started reading this pullback. Let's get rid of all of these brushes again. Okay, started reading this pullback on the lower time frame, not on 15 minutes, on the 3 minutes. And on the 3 minutes, what I'm reading it is as price starts to make lower highs and lower lows. This is the last sell in this lower high, lower low sequence. Price comes all the way back up to here, sells again. It's now this seller's territory, holds, sells again, holds, sells again. So the final sell that happened in this sequence of lower high, lower low, it happened here, came all the way down to here. Then the buyer kicked in, came all the way up to here, tried to go lower, puts in a higher low, goes higher, tests again, higher low, goes higher. And then the market starts to go sideways, right? As it starts to go sideways, this being the sign of my buyer from yesterday coming back, it starts to go sideways. When I came in front of the charts today, the price was around hereabouts. As this seller aggressively sells, cannot go any lower from here. Buys back up, and then this price becomes my threshold from where the price should not go lower. Price comes into here, I take my entry, stop loss just below where the buyer came back, and then the news released and then pushed the prices higher and faster, still going higher. Took about 50% here at around 6R, and the rest of it is running. Might as well take some more out right now. There was an opportunity to scale in, but you know, I was busy doing other stuff. I did not come back to the charts, so I wasn't able to scale in. The targets for now, for the rest of the 50% that is running, is all the way up to here, about 15R, and it has the potential of going higher. So I'll take some more. I'll take majority of my positions out at the final TP, and then I'll still leave some of it to run to see where it can go. Right? Anyway, this is about it. Cheers.